Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Commencing with the greatest and sweetest name of Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum, dear all. This is me, Javeria Amin, daughter of Binyamin. I have been the student of the University of Spoken English and Computer Sciences. So now I have completed my journey as a student and I am an internee of this institute. Today I will tell you all the activity of our institute. Like each and every week, we are bringing new ideas, information for our students so that they can get benefit of it. Each and every week, our students are participating in decorating this notice board. Also, our respected teachers are decorating this notice board. So today, this is about Egyptians. I will tell you something about Egyptians. Who were they? What were they famous for? Egyptians. They were the old school folks. They lived way far. They were the original gangsters of ancient time. They were famous for their ideas and inventions. So, they were also famous for their inventions, like they were bringing new ideas, inventions, and they were doing the things in a different way that others followed. They also worship bunch of god and goddesses. And now I will tell you something about this brown colored pages. You can see there is like a different kind of unique and cool style system writing. Yes, Egyptian had this writing, which is known as hieroglyphics. And now I will tell you about that. They were building, like they were all about building these pyramids, the massive pyramids. Now I will tell you about this picture. This is about the mix of Egyptian and Greek styles. This was so unique for its time, and it took 15 years to build. And this is the Valley of Kings. It is very important place for historians, and it also took 10 years to build in different centuries. This is the picture of outside of the valley, and it is the Valley of Kings. But I will also show you the picture of inside. This is the picture of inside. It is the structure of this valley, and this is the picture of outside. Now I will tell you about this woman. Woman was the queen of Egypt in her ancient time, and she's also known for the most powerful woman of Egypt ancient time. Her name was Nefertiti. She was the queen of Egypt, and she was the wife of Akhenaten. And she played a prominent role in Egypt that was all about the traditional religion of Egypt. The religion of the Egypt was polytheistic, but she made it monotheistic, and they started worshipping the known as Aton, god of sun. And she died in the age of 45. Now I will tell you about this man. He was the king of Egypt. His name was Tutankhamun. He was known for the young king. He became the king of Egypt in the age of 9 in 1332 BC. And also his short name is Tut. Like people also know him for the name of Tut. He became the king in the time of conflict, when there was a conflict in Egypt, so he became a young king of Egypt. He also brought role, and he asked for restoration of polytheistic religion. He asked for that because the people can worship the gods by their own choice. And also he died in a very young age. He died in 19, like when he was 19 years old, so he died. And I will also talk about this helmet, like the crown that they are having, their dressing. It is called Nefertiti bust, and this one is called Namas. Namas. It is known for Namas. And that's all about this notice board today. Thank you so much for your time.